music by Austin Gabriel titled Adama. I'll be using Ubaka to play this instrument, despite that the composer didn't use Ubaka as the major instrument. But to bring out the epic of it and the African aesthetics of it, I decided to use this instrument to play it. I hope you will find it so worthy out there, so interesting and so lovely. Enjoy. Adama de Bube, Yanu Kanjutagi Adama. Adama, Yanu Kanjutagi Adama. Agami solo gigabana benagi. Jejuta etwe senye iye Duru gikabana benamu Jego si awankanwe Adama Janu kanu pagi Adama Adama Janu kanu pagi Adama Mbaka ya bo